Imagine being trapped in a never-ending cycle where fees keep draining the lifeblood of your fund's performance, where every percentage point sliced away feels like a punch to your gut. You're sitting on capital that should be working harder, smarter, yet the so-called management fee waivers are swirling around like some clever magic trick, promising relief but delivering confusion, frustration, and hidden costs. You know it's not just simple math. You see the numbers smell fishy, but no one else wants to say it out loud. You're left questioning. Are these fee waivers really shifting power, or are they quietly hemorrhaging your returns without you even realizing? This isn't just finance. It's a battlefield where every dollar you fail to reclaim costs you decades of compounded growth, opportunities lost, and innovation stifled. Here's the brutal truth. Management fee waivers can feel like a band-aid on a wound that's still bleeding. They reduce the headline fees, sure. Looks great on paper. Investors cheer, founders too, because let's face it, it smells like savings. But underneath, the structure bends in ways you don't expect. Waived fees don't vanish. They morph into more complex forms of carried interest, shifting risk from one party to another without fixing the essential misalignment. You end up subsidizing managers differently but rarely better. The fund economics don't just rearrange, they subtly reinforce old inefficiencies and misaligned incentives, trapping both LPs and GPs in a cycle where real value creation remains elusive. Stop swallowing this narrative. Stop letting vague fee waivers distract you from what really matters. The solutions aren't flashy promises or watered-down compromises, but relentless, ruthless engineering of incentives and transparency that leaves no room for hidden costs. Insist on fee structures that reward true performance up front, that force alignment so fierce it drives innovation and accountability every step of the way. Demand full clarity, not just on what is waived, but what replaces it, how those changes ripple through your returns and risks. Do not accept anything less than a fund design that fractures illusions and places your capital where power isn't just shifted, but matched with purpose and precision. Here's what you do. Step beyond standard models. Push back on GPs who treat fee waivers as mere optics. Harness the power of granular data to stress test every scenario. What happens if performance tanks? If expenses balloon? If your waivers delay actual payout? Use these insights to renegotiate terms that force managers to carry true skin in the game, not just on paper, but visibly, tangibly, emotionally, because that's the only way they'll innovate, hustle, and push boundaries. Don't accept funds that simply juggle numbers. Demand funds that rewrite the rules, where fees and carry fuse into a single engine built exclusively to unleash growth and shared victory. This is about reclaiming control, about slicing through all the layers of industry nonsense that have kept you locked in paying for promises and status rather than actual outcomes. The power lies in seeing through fee waivers as not just a tax dodge, but a symptom of a broken system waiting for brave few to dismantle it. As LP, your mission is to be that force. To connect with founders and partners who aren't just playing the old game but building new ones. Fund economics designed to evolve with the complexity of the world, designed to unleash rare talent and scale the impossible. No more illusions, no more processed compliance. It's time for ruthless clarity, for bold demands, for funds that embody absolute freedom and productive individualism. A system forged not by chains of tradition, but by hands that choose to break them. This path won't be comfortable or easy. It will challenge fragile assumptions, expose shared misalignments, and push you to confront what you settle for. But on the other side, total liberation, the power to turn capital into unstoppable engines of change for founders who dare and investors who refuse to be fooled again. Step into that fire, tear down the myths, demand funds built not just to survive but to become. The economics of management fee waivers aren't destiny. They're a call to arms. Now rise, disrupt, and reclaim your stake in the future.